Hey guys, it's mcfixit here. I made this really sweet looking mini that you can just use in your disc golf games, then be able to make the putt. So I found this awesome print over on Maker World. Type in Pokemon Disc Golf Mini Marker and you'll find it. You can download the file into your Bambu Studios. I did add supports to this, and I did the tree support so you can see all the function right there. And we'll go ahead and print this thing and show you what it looks like. Okay, let's go ahead and remove it. Usually should come off pretty easily. All of the little supports just fall right out, and that looks really, really cool. Zoom in so you can see all the detail. In the back, feels nice and solid as well. That's going to be a great looking mini. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you do have any questions.